ประสาทวิชาลูกหลานล้วนก้าวหน้าทุกแรงล่าต่างชื่นชมสถานศึกษาเด่นเรามุ่งเน้นอย่างเหมาะสมคุณครูช่วยอบรมบ่มนิสัยให้สิทธิ์ดี
Hello, good morning and สวัสดีค่ะ Good morning students and good morning parents. Teacher Bibi is again here with the new video because this week our topic is community and Teacher Bibi he teach of the community 2 videos already because community is very vast, very big. We have a community places, community jobs and community where the person working. Now Bibi have a connected the jobs and the places. Today teacher Bibi is going to teach to the students the job and the places how they connect with each other. Because every week we have a new topic and teacher Bibi told you we teach the topic and many is the like the kinds, the name, the places and the different names. So we will be connected with our one topic because one topic we teach 5 days. We teach from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So if the one topic is 5 days we teach, we must be teach in the detail, okay? So today teacher Bibi is come here with the third one topic of this video with this topic. Topic is the community, but the first one teacher Bibi teach the name of the community and the places. And the second teacher Bibi teach name. What is the name of the jobs, okay? The job. And the third one teacher Bibi is teach about the community and places, how connected, how we connected with each other. So teacher Bibi always teach in the kindergarten 3 is in the detail, but you are very young, so teacher Bibi going to make easy, okay? So here we go and we learn about the community and connection with the job and the places, okay? Community, let's we spell first, okay? C O M M U N I T Y. Community, community, community. Teacher Bibi teach is the separate little bit, okay? C O M M U, commu, N I T Y, nutty, community, okay? So this is the topic of this week, community. Now we go to the job and the places connection. What is the connection different each other with them, okay? So student carefully listen teacher Bibi, okay? Can you see the picture here? I show you on the screen. This is, what is this? Doctor. Teacher Bibi already teach, okay? You must be remember when the appear the picture, you must know this is the doctor, okay? Doctor, doctor. Okay, where doctor work? Where doctor work? Do you know? Teacher Bibi teach already. Doctor work in hospital. Doctor, hospital. So what do we work? Doctor work in hospital. Teacher Bibi teach doctor is the job, hospital, place. So doctor, hospital. Doctor work hospital. So doctor work in hospital, okay? So this is connection with the two, the job and the place. This is two connection, okay? Doctor work in hospital, okay? The next one, I will click, you will be know the first one, what is that one? Okay, who is this one? Can you say this stuff? Because teacher Bibi teach already. Nurse, nurse, nurse. Where she work? Where she work? Do you know? Nurse work. Okay, who know? 1, 2, 3. Hospital. Yes, very good. Nurse work in hospital. So nurse is because she look after the sick people. So she work in hospital. Okay. Next, I'm going to click next, okay? Who is this? Can you see? Can you see me? Can you see on this picture? Can you let me know? What job is this one? Teacher, correct. Teacher. So where does teacher work? Where teacher work? I will click, okay? Where teacher work? Teacher work in 1, 2, 3. School. Yes, correct. Very good. Good job. Teacher work in school. Yes. Teacher and school, job and place. Okay. Teacher work in school. Very good. Okay, next teacher BB is going to click, okay? What is the next job? Okay, can you see on the screen this picture? What job this one? What profession this one? Community profession. What is that? Policeman. Very good. This is policeman. So where policeman work? Can you know? Can you tell me? Police work in go. I'm going to click, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yes, police station. Police work in police station. Police work in police station. Very good. Okay, teacher is going to click next job. What is the next job? Can you tell me? I'm going to click again. Next job. Who is this? Can you know me? Some parents, some father doing this job. So what job this one? Sawyer. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Sawyer. Where is Sawyer work? Where is Sawyer work? Sawyer work in border. Border. In the border. All around the country border. Look after the country. So we say Sawyer work on the border. Border. Okay. Sawyer work on the border. In Thai we say like Chaidan, like this one. So this is border. Okay. Sawyer work on the border. Very good. Next I'm going to go click next. Okay. Next job. Who is this? Can you tell me? I teach you already. Firefighter. Very good. Good job. Firefighter. So where the firefighter work? Where the firefighter work? In the hospital? No. In school? No. So where? Where? Can you tell me? I teach already. Is work. Fire station. Very good. Good job. Firefighter work in fire station. Fire station. Okay? Because the place, they stay in fire station. Okay? The next teacher BB click the next one. Okay? Okay, who is this one? Postman. Postman, yes. Postman. Where is the work? Do you know? Do you know where is the work? Postman work in, where is the place? Post office. Very good. Good job. Postman work in post office. Post office. Postman. Post office. Okay. Next, teacher BB going to show you what job this one. Cut the hair. I teach already. Barber. 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 Where is barber work? Can anybody tell me? Barber work in barber shop. Very good. Barber work in barber shop. Very good. Okay. This is the job. This is the place. Okay. Barber. Barber shop. Okay. Next job. What is the one? Baker. Bakery. Make the cake, cookies, biscuits. Okay. Baker. Where is the baker work? I will show you the place. This is the job. Baker. And where is do the job? In the bakery shop. Yes. Very good. Well done. Baker work in bakery shop. Okay. In the bakery shop. Next, teacher BB go show. What is this? Chef and cook. Chef and cook. Chef and cook. Where's the chef and cook? Can you tell me? In the hospital? No. In police station? No. So where is work? Is work in restaurant. Yes. Chef is do cooking in the food shop and the restaurant. Okay, restaurant. Chef and cook work in restaurant. Okay, very good. Next, what is this? The bank worker, bank worker, bank worker, bank officer, bank clerk, where they work. The bank people, where they work. Did you know? Can you tell me? They work in the bank. Yes. Bank worker work in the bank. Yes. Bank worker work in the bank. Okay. This is job. This is place. Very good. Okay. One more time, teacher BB repeat and you let me know. Okay. So teacher BB repeat one more time because teacher BB already teach the name of the jobs and the name of the places. Now teacher BB combine, collect it, connect with each other. Okay. Let's go here. Community, community and job places. Okay. Job places. Doctor, doctor work in hospital. Doctor work in hospital. Nurse, nurse work in hospital. Nurse work in hospital. Teacher, teacher work in school. Teacher work in school. Policeman work in police station. Police work in police station. Okay. Soldier, soldier work in on the teacher BB teach already border. Soldier on the border. Soldier work on the border. Okay. Firefighter, firefighter work in the fire station. Very good. Postman, postman work in the post office. Postman work in post office. Barber, barber work in barber shop. Very good. Barber work in barber shop. Baker, baker work in bakery shop. Baker work in bakery shop. Chef and cook, we have two names. Okay, we can chef, we can cook. Okay, chef or cook work in the restaurant. Chef or cook work in the restaurant. Bank worker, bank worker work in the bank. Bank worker, bank. Bank worker work in the bank. Okay, student, teacher BB teach you before the community. Topic is community, and teacher BB teach the name of the job and the places. The first we have a places, then we have a job. So do you know places and job, they each other connect with each other. Teacher work in school, daughter work in hospital, so they connect with each other. We must know. Okay, the teacher BB teach through this PowerPoint and through this video. Hope when student come back to school, teacher BB teach one more time. We repeat again it and you will be remember. Please watch this video, and parent, please help your kid and you speak and student will speak after you. Maybe some are very slow learning and they will not understand. If the parents speak and the student will follow their parents, so they will be work. Okay, they will be very good, excellent. They're speaking and they're listening and they will be understand. And I know every parent understand English a lot and you can translate also. So here I'm going to finish this video, and I hope all students understand this all, the community places, the community jobs and the connection between them. So thank you very much, and stay at home, stay safety, and bye bye I love you สวัสดีค่ะ